Hi guys, welcome back to my new video of website creators, and today in this video you will see how to create a beautiful animation HTML, CSS and small code of JavaScript. And you can see on my computer screen here we have one drone image which is moving around this web page. You can see when I moving the cursor around this web page, the drone is moving according to the cursor movement. So this is the effect, very beautiful on your web page. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Website Creators to watch more videos like. Now let's start this video. This is my project folder. Let me open this folder and we have some files and images. You can find all the images in the description. Now let me open this index.html file and style.css, which is brackets text editor. So this is my favorite text editor. So open as project. So this is my index.html file and this one is style.css file. I have written some basic structures on this HTML file. So I have added one title, mouse movement effect, and I have connected the CSS file with HTML file using this link tag. Now let's come back to this Google Chrome and let me type jQuery CDN. You can see this first link is jQuery CDN. So let me open this first website and you can see there are some links. So just click this minify it, copy this script, close this one and add here. So we need only this source and not this integrating and cross origin. Let me remove this one. So we have connected this jQuery website to our website. So let's come back this body tag. Next we will create one div and we need to create one ID also. So ID is banner. So in this banner we need to create one more div which is drone box. So let me create another div ID drone box. And after that let's add some images in this drone box. So image squared drone.png. Now we will add one class name also. So let me type class name is drone picture. Let me duplicate this one and we will change this some images. So this one is drone left and this one is drone right. So let me change this class also. So left pick and this one is right pick. So right pick means right picture. Okay, let's refresh our website. So let's come back, open this index.html file with Google Chrome. So this is my website. We don't see these images because it's white color. So let's come back to our project folder and come to the CSS file and let me type. So before that, come back to this index.html file and copy this banner. So it is ID and let me add hashtag and banner with 100% and height 100, vertical height viewport. So viewport height is 100 and width is 100%. Now we need to add position and background image also. So let me type position absolute and background image. Background image is linear gradient. So let me type some RGB format. So red, green, blue, and opacity it will be 0, 0, 0, 0.5. Copy this, add comma, and again paste it here. So we have added two colors RGBA, but it is the same colors. So add comma. Now we need to add one background image. So we have already added one overlay. Now we will add one image. So for that, let me type URL. So we need to add this image, pic.jpeg. Copy this name with the extension, and let's add here pic.jpeg. Close this one. Right, we have added successfully. Save these changes and let's refresh our website. You can see the drone image and fly these ones. Now you can see this background image is not clear. For that, let's come back and we need to add some background size, cover, and background position. It will be center. Save the changes and let's come back and refresh your web page, and you can see the background image is clear. Now we need to design these drone images. For that, let's come back to the HTML file and copy this drone box ID. So let me add here has with the hashtag because it is the ID. So this drone box, let me type margin 150 pixel and auto. Let me enter one width 200 pixel, position relative. So again come back to this index.html file and copy this class name drone pic. So in this drone pic, let me enter, it is the class name. For that, let me enter before this drone pic class name with the dot. So drone box, so drone picture with 100%. Now we need to design the left pic and right pic also. So let me copy this left pic, paste it here with the dot because it is the class name, I already told you. So in this dot left pic with 80 pixel and top it will be 0, and we need to add some left and position also. So left minus 11 pixel and the right, and the position absolute. Let me copy this left picture CSS property and let me duplicate this one, and we need to change some CSS property for the right picture. So let me change this left, right, and width it will be 80 pixel and top 0, right 11 pixel. So let's change this left, instead of left let me type right. So right is 11 pixel, position absolute, right. Let's refresh your website and you can see this drawn images looks good. Now we need to rotate this fly. for that, let's come back. We need to add some animation. For that, let's come back and let me enter one animation. So we need to add one animation name. For that, let me add one animation name, rotation. We have added any name, so rotation 0.2 seconds. So it is the time, and linear infinite. Copy this animation code and paste it into the right picture also. Now refresh your web page and you can see any change. You didn't see any changes because we need to add some keyframes for this rotation. So let's come back and now we will add one keyframe. So for that, let me add that keyframes. Now we need to add this animation name. So let's copy this animation name, rotation, and paste it here. So let me type 100%. So in this 100%, we need to rotate this angle in the 360 degrees. For the transform, rotate Y 360 degrees. So it will rotate 360 degrees. So now we can check our website. So it is rotating. Now we need to add cursor movement effect. So we need to type some JavaScript. So for that, let's come back to our index.html file. Before this body tag, let me type one script. So in this script, let me type one dollar. Sorry, here dollar. In this bracket, add this ID banner. So with the hashtag, so hash banner dot mouse move. We need to create one function. So function E. Now we need to create two variables. For that, where move x equals e dot page x space star space -1 space backslash space 2 plus 300. Duplicate this and change this move y. This one also move y. So -1, this one is 3, and instead of 300, let me enter 120. So let me enter $1. So in this dollar bracket, add this drawn box ID, copy this and has drawnbox dot css. So transform colon translate (3D). So let me start one bracket. So in this bracket let me enter one space plus space move in the x direction plus pixel, come to the after this ending tick mark, space plus space move y direction space plus pixel comma 0. So let me scroll down. That's it. Let me refresh our website. So you can see it is moving, but right now it is not slow animation, so it's not smooth, and we need to add one smooth effect. For that, let's come back to the CSS file, drawnbox transition 2 seconds. You can see it's moving, smooth percent. So this is the how we can easily create this type of web page animation using HTML, CSS and simple JavaScript. So I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.